Welcome to Good Morning Dent. We're your hosts, Sadie
and Logan. Today is Thursday, September 20th, 2018, and tomorrow is Fair Day. No school for students.
Today we are going to take a break from sharing capitals and states. We are going to play a game. We will say the capital and see if you know the state. Ready?
Montgomery, Alabama. Juneau, Alaska. Phoenix, Arizona. Little Rock, Arkansas. Sacramento, California. Denver, Colorado.
Good
Hartford,
morning, everybody. This is Mr. Christian.
Connecticut.
A reminder that chorus
Dover,
will be at 9:30
Delaware.
this morning, and chorus solution
Monday's lunch menu is hamburger, cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, seasoned potato wedges, California blend veggies, applesauce, cup, weekly items, chicken patty on bun, chef salad.
Tomorrow's weather is a high of 72 degrees with a 60% chance of rain.
Please stand and say the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Have
Have a terrific Tuesday.